In the vast ocean of the night sky, sprinkled with brilliant stars that blaze with unimaginable intensity, there lies a single faint flicker, almost invisible to the human eye, easily overshadowed by its more luminous neighbors. This is Proxima Centauri, a modest red dwarf star, quietly glowing at the edge of human perception. Despite its humble light, Proxima Centauri holds a profound significance. It is the closest star to our Sun, a mere 4.24 light-years away. That distance, though staggering in human terms, makes it the nearest outpost in the vast frontier of interstellar space. To humanity, it represents both a beacon of hope and a profound mystery. What secrets lie hidden in the faint glow of this red dwarf? Could it be a cradle for life beyond Earth? Or is it a cosmic reminder of our isolation? The story of red dwarfs is the story of the universe's hidden majority. For centuries, astronomers focused on the brightest stars, those easily visible to the naked eye. Giants, supergiants, dazzling blue and yellow stars dominated early studies. But as telescopes improved, a new truth emerged. The galaxy teems with small, faint stars, quietly burning their fuel for trillions of years. Red dwarfs like Proxima Centauri outnumber all other stars combined. They form the backbone of the Milky Way's stellar population, yet their faintness kept them concealed until the advent of modern astronomy. The discovery of Proxima Centauri itself, in 1915, was a landmark moment. Identified by Robert Innes, it was revealed to be gravitationally bound to the Alpha Centauri system, a triple-star system that is, by cosmic standards, our closest neighborhood. Red dwarfs are unlike our Sun in fundamental ways. With masses as low as 7% that of the Sun, their interiors are fully convective. This means the nuclear fusion that powers them mixes throughout their entire volume, allowing them to use nearly all of their hydrogen fuel, a stellar economy of unparalleled efficiency. Their surface temperatures range from about 2,500 to 4,000 Kelvin, much cooler than the Sun's 5,778 Kelvin. This cooler temperature gives them a characteristic deep red hue, visible only through telescopes or to the most sensitive eyes under perfect conditions. Unlike massive stars that burn hot and fast, red dwarfs burn slow and steady. Their lifespans extend far beyond the current age of the universe, trillions of years, orders of magnitude longer than the Sun's expected 10 billion-year lifetime. This makes red dwarfs the universe's patient survivors, cosmic embers destined to outlast the flashier stars, shining quietly in the galactic night long after others have faded. For decades, Proxima Centauri was just a faint point of light, an isolated red dwarf with no known companions beyond its stellar siblings in the Alpha Centauri system. But the cosmos often surprises us. In 2016, astronomers announced a discovery that electrified the scientific community and the public alike: a planet orbiting Proxima Centauri, Proxima b. This rocky exoplanet, roughly Earth-sized, orbits in the star's habitable zone, the region where temperatures could allow liquid water to exist on its surface, if conditions permit. It was the closest potentially habitable planet ever found, orbiting a star just next door, sparking imaginations and raising profound questions about life beyond Earth. But Proxima b is a world unlike our own. It completes an orbit in just 11.2 Earth days, hugging its parent star at a distance about 20 times closer than Earth is to the Sun. This proximity likely means the planet is tidally locked, one hemisphere eternally basking in starlight, the other plunged into perpetual darkness. The day side may experience extreme heat, while the night side could be frozen in unyielding cold. This stark dichotomy creates a challenging environment for life, a world of extremes under a star that rarely offers mercy. Red dwarfs like Proxima Centauri are notorious for their volatility. Though small and faint, their magnetic fields are fierce and unpredictable. They unleash powerful flares, explosive bursts of radiation that can dwarf the strongest solar storms witnessed by Earth. In 2019, astronomers detected a massive flare from Proxima Centauri that would have stripped an unprotected atmosphere from a planet in minutes, irradiating its surface with deadly X-rays and ultraviolet light. These superflares raised daunting questions about the planet's habitability. Can life survive such relentless bombardment? Does an atmosphere even persist? Or has it been stripped away into the void? Here on Earth, life has proven remarkably resilient. From acidic hot springs to the crushing depths of oceanic trenches, from radioactive zones to frozen tundras, organisms have evolved to survive conditions once thought impossible. Could life on Proxima endure similarly harsh circumstances? Might it hide beneath the surface, shielded from lethal radiation by thick layers of rock or ice? Such subsurface refuges are among the most promising hypotheses in the search for life on hostile worlds, environments warmed by geothermal energy and protected from stellar fury. Beyond Proxima b lies Proxima c, a larger and colder planet orbiting farther out. Though less hospitable on the surface, it may possess moons, icy satellites where tidal forces generate internal heat, maintaining liquid water beneath frozen crusts. Much like Jupiter's Europa or Saturn's Enceladus, these moons could harbor subsurface oceans, hidden habitats where life might arise and persist away from the chaos of the parent star. Each new discovery in this system deepens the mystery, suggesting a miniature solar system with complex dynamics and possibly multiple niches for life. Despite our best telescopes, Proxima Centauri remains frustratingly distant. The light we see left the star more than 4 years ago, a reminder that we look back in time as we peer into the cosmos. To truly explore this alien system, humanity must venture beyond passive observation. Projects like Breakthrough Starshot propose sending tiny, laser-driven spacecraft at unprecedented speeds, a fleet of miniature explorers racing toward Proxima Centauri, reaching it within a human lifetime. If successful, such missions could capture the first close-up images of an exoplanet orbiting another star, revealing landscapes, atmospheres, and perhaps even signs of life. Proxima Centauri challenges our perception of time and existence. While Earth has nurtured life for billions of years, this red dwarf star will continue shining for trillions more, patiently lighting the cosmos long after our sun has faded. What stories could be unfolding on worlds circling such eternal stars? Might life elsewhere have evolved far beyond our current understanding, shaped by a cosmic rhythm vastly different from our own? Proxima Centauri forces us to confront the possibility that life is not a fleeting accident, but a persistent thread woven into the fabric of the universe. In the silent dark between the stars, Proxima Centauri glimmers, a humble, patient light amidst the cosmic vastness. It invites us to look up, to question, and to imagine. Are we truly alone? Or is life, in forms we can scarcely dream of, flourishing quietly next door? The answers remain hidden in the faint red glow of this mysterious star, waiting for us to reach across the void and uncover the universe's deepest secrets.